Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I will show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in the Opera browser. It's a simple setting, but knowing when to turn it on or off can actually improve your browser's performance, especially if you're running into problems. Let's start by opening Opera. Once it's open, click on the red Opera icon at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Or if you like keyboard shortcuts, just press Alt plus P, easy and fast. Now that you're in the Settings tab, scroll down until you see Advanced. Click on it to reveal more options. Scroll down until you find the System section. In this section, you will see a setting that says either use hardware acceleration when available or use graphics acceleration when available. Now you might be wondering, are those the same thing? And the answer is yes. Both refer to the same feature. Whether it says graphics or hardware acceleration, it simply means that Opera is using your GPU or graphics card to handle visual tasks like video, playback, animations, and effects, instead of relying on only your computer's GPU. So if your browser is lagging, videos are stuttering, or pages are freezing, turning this setting off might help, especially on older or slower devices. To disable it, just flip the toggle off. Opera will ask you to relaunch the browser for the change to take effect. Click relaunch and that's it. And if you want to turn it back on later, no problem. Just go back to the same spot, switch it on, and relaunch again. Remember, enabling hardware or graphics acceleration is usually helpful, but if it causes glitches, freezes, or slowdowns, disabling it can give your browser a fresh start. And that's it. Now you know exactly what the setting means and how to control it in Opera with just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.